Ditch the chaos and discover how to effortlessly join a project in Basecamp, unlocking seamless teamwork and crystal clear communication. First things first, make sure you have a Basecamp account. If you don't, ask your project administrator for an invitation link once you have an account. Head over to Basecamp.com and log in using your email address and password. Now, depending on how your project administrator invited you, you might already see the project you need to join on your Basecamp homepage. If you do, great. Simply click on the project name to access it. But if you don't see the project, no worries. Look for the Find Another Basecamp button, usually located in the lower left corner of your screen, and click on it. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter the name of the Basecamp account where the project resides. Your project administrator should have provided this information. Type in the correct Basecamp name and click Continue. You'll then see a list of available projects within that Basecamp account. Locate the project you need to join and click the Join button next to it. Congratulations, you're now part of the project. You can now access all the relevant information, to-do lists, discussions, and files to collaborate effectively with your team. That's it. You're all set to dive in and start contributing.